Squirrel. You uncomfortable with me watching you? Hey. He's gone. Maybe you're making him feel uncomfortable. All right, my neck's tired. You won, squirrel. You won. All right, here I am. I spoke with the a firefighter last week as he was checking the trees, or actually the lights, and we had a long conversation about how the squirrels, for some reason, chew on the wires, as you can see. This one, oh, it's actually not, it's buried. I guess something about it tastes like gum to them, and so they chew on them for some odd reason. That's why there's a tree over there that's out of light. So that was a little bit interesting fact that I got. So anyhow, that was a very cool contest. The squirrel won. I don't know where it is anymore. But my neck hurts, so I am about to go. I'm about to head on out.